Here's a quick instructional on how to tighten your column on your Dualtron. Use your shoulder to push against this. You're sitting on the scooter, okay? And you're using your shoulder to push against this. And now watch closely on the folding system. While pushing with your shoulder here, pushing. Right now, what you're gonna do is make sure it's all the way down. Push like this. Grab it like this and push down like that. Make sure it's tight all the way. And then you tighten this first. And then pushing down, you start to rotate this. If you do this and you see that you could tighten it a bit more, what you do is open it and hold on to this, or turn it a bit like that and turn this. Turn it again, turn this. So this way you're finally adjusting this plastic bit here is changeable. So ask us for more when this gets worn out or deformed, because otherwise you will not be able to tighten this properly, and then the folding system will move around while you're riding, and more problems would appear and frustration. And just keep talking to us. Send us a picture if this you think is deformed. Just send us a picture of this and we'll send you a bunch of them to replace when needed. They come off like this. You throw this away and you put a new one in to make sure your quick release system is always working properly. That's all there is to it. Let us know if you have any questions.